When I came there and I saw it, it was for me just amazing. It was outstanding, and I knew I want to make wine there. Here in Slovenia, or in Slovenia at all, there's a big chance for young people just to do this journey, and it's possible to do also the financial part. In the beginning, it was just a feeling. It was just okay. I want to figure it out. I have so much impression of this, or feel so much impression of this region, and yeah, that was how it started. It was, it was clear when it's that steep. It's just marl. It's no humus on top of the soil. It's hard work to get the wines into the soil. You feel it already. There's something special happening. Cru on this lege, Gorza, there are some different spots where they are digging out more special than others. They are so special. They have the soil, the taste of the wine is something unique. So I'm still in the way to figure it out. Year by year, it's something new. I can tell you, but it's something new. I also want to try. I hope more and more will join the journey we do, because I have the feeling that Haloz has one of the best terroirs in the world. And so in future, Vino Gross will stand for Maribor region and for Haloz region.